Sun glare can turn a comfortable drive into a tiring and unsafe experience, especially when your original sun visor is damaged, worn out, or missing entirely. This replacement sun visor is designed to match the fit and appearance of the original equipment visor, helping restore both driving comfort and interior aesthetics without the high cost of dealer parts. Built with a durable polymer bracket and quality vinyl fabric, this visor is made to closely replicate the look, feel, and function of the factory-installed component. The materials are selected to provide long-lasting durability while blending seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. From daily commutes to long road trips, it helps reduce glare and eye strain, contributing to a safer and more relaxed driving experience. This sun visor offers a cost-effective solution for drivers who want original equipment quality at a more competitive price. It has undergone try-on and material testing to ensure a proper fit and dependable service life. Installation is straightforward, making it an ideal option for anyone looking to refresh their interior without complicated tools or modifications. Designed as an ideal replacement, this visor restores proper function while maintaining the clean, factory-style appearance you expect. To ensure correct fitment, it is important to enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before purchasing. This step helps guarantee compatibility and eliminates guesswork. If your current visor no longer stays in place, looks worn, or fails to block sunlight effectively, this replacement offers a practical and reliable fix. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel to discover more smart replacement parts and interior upgrades that keep your vehicle comfortable, safe, and looking its best.